Whoop! So what's good, boys? My name is Sean. Welcome to another video, boys. Another week, another vlog. So, ano ngayon? Lang, check natin yung date. July 7. Okay, 7/7 sale. July 7, 2025. So, yun. Boy, diba? Last weekend galing tayong cheat pagkatapos ko mag-check up, boy, na cheat day tayo. So hindi, yung gabi lang. Tapos ayun nga, physic update ko mamaya, mapapanood nyo. Medyo watery, lalo sa lower belly area ko. Kasi nga dahil yung kinain-kain natin na cheat meals or cheat foods, junk foods, is syempre ini-eliminate pa ng katawan natin yan. So weight natin 157.8, boy. And yung update natin, boy, we continue to dig, we continue to cut. Okay, so prep pa din tayo, boy. So current weight 157.8, lowest weight in this cut is 156.6 ata. Okay, so yun yung mangyayari niyan. Konti lang naman yung inangat ko, boy, sa 2 weeks na medyo off tayo. Di lang talaga maganda yung mga hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin yung mga nangyari nung nagpa-check up tayo, boy. So yun, let's leave it at that. Basta we continue to cut, we continue our prep. So ngayon, upper day tayo. Dadaan lang kami dito sa may old gym namin. Kaya iba yung daan na nakikita nyo, kasi mag-withdraw muna si Boss Nick ng kanyang pocket money. Let's go sa gym, upper. This week's physic update, sobrang laki. Ayun na. Aba, no. Bango. Ayun, tayo naman. Front. Turn to the right. Side chest. 157.6 Food trip. Nagsawa na si Mataba. Si Billy na distract. Venga. Let's go! Laki na ng shoulder ni Boss Neg, oh. Ayaw mag-focus. Time magagamit ng on-cloud ni Kalbo. Ganda. Thanks, Kalbo. Thanks, Kalbo.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand.
Okay, boy. Anong date ngayon? Update tayo. Same week pa din, July 9. Leg day tayo, Wednesday ngayon, Wednesday. So leg day, speed machine squats tayo. So oras 6:02 AM. Yung nangyari ngayon, boy, umaga, lowest weigh-in ko ngayong cut, boy. Okay? So kaka-introduce ko lang ulit ng activity, ng steps sa aking sarili. So ayun, 10K kahapon. And then ayun nga, 156.4 na ako yung weight ko kanina, boy. So napakaganda ng nangyayari na yun kasi bumaba nga yung activity natin, tapos ang bilis pa rin bumagsak ng weight natin. Ilang days pa lang ako. So yung calorie intake ko pala, boy, 2,100 muna ulit, boy, kasi ayoko mag-dig deep agad na bababaan pa doon kasi sisimulan ko lang ulit kung saan ako nag-stop. Pero supposed to be dapat nung last, diba, 2-1 yun, magdidig ako hanggang 1-9. Kaso ayun nga, nag-stop ako. So napakain-kain. Almost 2 weeks din akong nag-break sa cut. So ayun, kaya yung physique update natin dito sa ano na to, sa video na to, is medyo manas yung lower area natin or yung lower belly area natin, boy. Ayan, may nag-comment pala, boy, dun sa last video. Sabi niya, bakit wasak ka na pero ang taba pa din ng ano mo, sa may pusod area mo? Sabi niya ganyan. Ayan, unang-una, boy, okay, yung pinaka ano niyan, dati akong obese. So marami akong loose skin dito sa may tiyan ko. So ano ba yung obese? Dati akong sobrang taba. Okay? Kaya nung pumayat ako or nung lumit ako, nag-shrink yung katawan ko, pero yung balat ko nag-expand siya, boy. Okay? Yung parang sample, yung ano, yung plastic balloon, di ba? Pagka hinipan mo yan, or yung lobo, tapos kapag pinasingaw mo, biglang parang yung ano, yung malambot na texture na ano, ganun yung nangyari sa balat ko. So ayun, yung downside kapag galing kang mataba or obese, magkakaroon ka talaga ng loose skin. Pero yung sa akin, boy, nag-recover na. Mas malala siya dati nung ano, bago-bago pa lang ako. So tignan nyo yung video ko or yung competition ko noong 2019, boy. Yung nag-compete ako men's physique, yung loose skin ko talaga nun, ano, talagang naglalaglag siya. Pero ngayon okay na. Yan, makapal yung balat ko. And then boy, bukod dun sa loose skin, syempre stubborn area ko din yung lower belly area. Kita nyo, nagmanas agad or nagwatery agad. Kasi yun agad yung nag-a-absorb ng lahat ng food kapag ka nag-excess food ako. Parang lumalaki agad yung sa may puson ko, boy. Ayan, so para mabawasan yun, para hindi masyadong halata yung loose skin ko, ang kailangan kong gawin is mag-cut pa lalo, boy, para lumitaw pa yung abs ko sa baba. Ayun, kailangan ko pa mag-lose ng body fat. In short, mataba pa ako. Yun, hindi pa ako wasak. Yan lang naman. Malapit na tayo sa gym. Let's go. Leg day.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.
Okay, boy. Anong date ngayon, babe? July 12. Okay, July 12 ngayon. So, okay na yung progress natin. Bumabalik na ulit tayo. Nagiging wasak na tayo. Mamaya physique update tayo sa gym ng mid pump siguro. Kasi bago maligo si Boss Ned. Yan. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung physique ko. Okay na siya. So, lowest weigh-in ko yata ngayon, 154.4. which is a good sign. 2,100 calories. Kaka-introduce ko lang na activity nung Monday. So kung ano mang July yun, basta nung Monday. Back day tayo ngayon or full day. So ayan, tuloy-tuloy na ulit yung cut natin. Tuloy-tuloy na ulit yung prep natin. Abangan nyo yung first show ko, boy. Yung unang lalaroan ko. So warm up show lang yun. Pero ayan, sasabihin ko yung final show ko, NBA Universe. Yan, Natural Bodybuilding Australia Universe. So, hindi na ako magme-men's physique. Lalaroan ko na yung classic tsaka bodybuilding. So, category ko novice pa din. Dahil novice pa lang tayo, hindi pa tayo nanalo, hindi pa tayo nag-place. So, wala naman na tayo tawag dun. Tawag sa category na yung hindi ka pa talaga lumaro, parang gano'n, yung true novice ba yun? Ayan, so ayun yung walang category na gano'n. Basta hindi ka pa nag-place tapos matagal ka nang hindi lumalaro. So 6 years na din since last tayo nag-compete. Ayan, so yan, in-announce ko na sa video na to. Pero ayan, JJ enjoy lang yung prep. So yung pinaka first show ko, boy, expect natin na hindi pa yun yung pinaka wasak ko. Ano lang yun, parang i-reintroduce ko lang yung sarili ko sa scene. Pero syempre, boy, gagalingan pa din natin. Hindi yung putyo-putyo lang na na-package. Aayusin pa din natin yung ipe-present natin doon. So classic tsaka men's bodybuilding, boy. Yan, nakaka-hype. Pero medyo magastos nga lang, boy. Kaya yun, tara, full day.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a C, they'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13. Working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action